It is just about 6 a.m. on Saturday, July 28th. And I just got my very first order to start off my day. DoorDash, $6.25 to go shopping at CVS for 2 items going 2.6 miles. So let's go make that money, honey.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah.
What it is, but I don't know if it's my phone or if it's the app, but sometimes I have a lot of trouble getting these barcodes to scan. I know sometimes it's the lighting in the store, but a lot of times it seems like it's a focus issue. Do any of you guys have that problem as well? Either I'm too close or I'm too far away, but it just doesn't seem like my phone will focus. So let me know if you guys have that problem too, just so I know if it's just me or not. It took a little bit, but here we are. We have another CVS order on DoorDash, $8.75 to go 2.8 miles. It says it's 5 items. It's really not bad at all. It's just 3 Monster and 2 Red Bull. So let's get this caffeine so that Kirsten can start her day. Dude, that took way longer than it should have. And the lady was so freaking rude. She literally, like, purposely chose not to make eye contact with me. And she was looking in the freezer or fridge that was right next to where I was standing. And purposely didn't make eye contact with me. And purposely didn't ask if she could help me. And there was like 3 other people behind me waiting for orders, but they had placed their order and was waiting for their order. I was the only one that was clearly waiting for a pickup order, and they had like at least 3 of them ready. I just thought she was so freaking rude. It was to the point, there was 3 of them working, and it got to the point where I actually had to say out loud, I'm picking up this order for Amber, because I was getting completely ignored. I don't know. I didn't think that was right, but... Alright, let's go deliver this to Amber. I missed taking a screenshot of it. This DoorDash order, St. Pete Bagel Company. I think it was like $7.75, I think it was, for like 4 miles or something like that. It's taking me back over towards my house, which is great because then I can just stop and go to the bathroom and go back out to work. Excuse my appearance. I'm actually in the middle of doing Amazon, but I wanted to close out the video so I could get it out there. So I really didn't go into depth about my earnings and everything. I showed you all of my screenshots and my mileage because I was only out for like an hour and a half. The whole point of my video really wasn't to go over earnings and everything. It was just about basically the DoorDash Shop and Pay orders because I got 2 of them and I had such a hard time scanning, and I always have a hard time scanning barcodes, always with my DoorDash app, even with my Uber Eats app though. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max that I've been using recently for my delivery, so I'm wondering if it is my phone or if it is the app. So that's why I really wanted to make this video, just to kind of show you guys what I'm going through and see if maybe any of you guys are experiencing the same thing. So please, please, please let me know down in the comments if you are. I know it's a short video, but I do have more coming. Just short and sweet and to the point. I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so right now. I really would appreciate it because you guys are amazing. If you want to see another video, YouTube thinks you'll like this one, so check it out because I think you might too. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace out.